Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Thursday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 23rd of May 2024. US Dow Jones fell 0.51, settled the day at 39,671.04 while Nasdaq ended the session at 16,801.54, falling 0.18%. In Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 38,839.19 and Hang Seng is trading at 19,024.41. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 22,645, indicating a flat to negative start for the Indian market. FII sold 686.04 crores in the cash market in the last trading session. Tata Group took full control of the TV platform after buying the 29.8% stake from Disney. RBI board approves record surplus transfer of 2.11 lakh rupees crore to government for FY24. The dividend is sharply higher than what the government had expected. It will be reflected in the government's account for FY25. Now talking about global aspects, existing home sales in the US declined 1.9% month-over-month to a seasonally adjusted annualized rate of 4.14 million units in April, the lowest in 3 months. Crude oil inventories in the US rose by 1.82 million barrels after a 2.50 million decrease in the previous period. WTI fell 1.4% to $77.57 a barrel, while Brent sank 1.2% to $81.90 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 104.80. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 4.42%, down. Here is a recap of Wednesday's trading session. Indian benchmark indices experienced fluctuating gains and losses as investors capitalized on market dips, drawing cues from the Federal Reserve's recent policy meeting for insights into potential interest rate adjustments. Despite the volatility, key indices, Sensex and Nifty, concluded the day with slight gains, closing at 74,221.06 and 22,597.80, respectively. Sectoral performance was broadly positive, with all sectors posting gains except for metals, banking, and auto. Outlook for the day. In Nifty, any resultant profit booking from 22,650 could be viewed as an opportunity to initiate new long positions near 22,200, suggesting a bullish outlook beyond this retracement level. On the downside, the zone between 22,200 and 22,000 is identified as a crucial support level for the upcoming sessions. This support range is likely to provide a strong foundation, potentially halting any short-term declines. In Bank Nifty, on the downside, short-term support is expected around the 47,300 level for the upcoming sessions. The immediate support level is at 47,700, with 47,200 providing an additional cushion. A breakout above 48,300 could indicate a bullish trend, potentially driving the index towards the 48,800 and even the 49,200 levels. Stocks on radar are GE Power India, PNC Infra, General Insurance Corporation of India, Fine Cables. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.